So please note that I am not saying right and left. If you think in terms of right and left, you are going to get mixed up. I guarantee it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Time for a tutorial number 2 on how to fly the Mavic Mini. So I invite you first to have a look at my tutorial number 1. So do not try this here without doing tutorial number 1 first. So let's take off. So we'll put the drone right in the center of the camera view, just like that. Okay, so for our second lesson, we are going to fly with the drone facing us. So we'll do a 180 degree with the left stick, just like that. A bit too much, just like that. Okay, and we'll practice flying forward, backward, and sideways. So let's do forward and backward first with the right stick, of course. So the way I do it, and there are different ways of doing this, but what I like to do is imagine that I am sitting on the drone. Okay, so if I see myself on the drone, then I know that I need to go forward just like that. So I don't need to think about reversing. So again, if I need to go back, I just go back using the right stick. So going forward, towards the camera, and backwards. And by the way, if you have prop guards, I invite you to put them on when you practice this indoor, just in case you hit the wall. So let's go back up a bit, a little bit higher, just like that. So again, forward, I imagine that I am sitting on the drone. Forward, a bit more. Backwards, I'm going to move sideways a bit here. We're a bit sideways. There you go. Now let's practice. Second item is flying sideways. Now for that, I find it easier if I just think like opposite. So if I want to go this way, I will move the joystick to the opposite direction. Okay, so if I want to go this way again, I'll move the opposite this way. So if I want to move this way, I'll move the joystick in the opposite direction. So please note that I am not saying right and left. If you think in terms of right and left, you are going to get mixed up. I guarantee it. So just go by opposite. You want to go this way, move the joystick in the opposite direction. You want to move this way, move the joystick in the opposite direction. Okay, just like that. Practice this for about 3 batteries. So opposite direction, opposite direction. Imagine you are sitting on the drone, forward, backwards, forward. So try that for, again, 3 batteries, and then go back to tutorial number 1. Okay, so let's do a 180 degree with the left stick, just like that. And practice what we did in tutorial number 1 now with 3 batteries again. Go down, go up. So practice your altitude with the left stick. And then do like we did before, a rectangle. Clockwise, and then counterclockwise. Okay, my space is limited here. I want to stay in the field of view of the camera, so I'm not doing big rectangles. But do rectangles again and altitude variation for another 3 batteries, and then practice flying towards you again. Like I said, imagine that you are sitting on the drone when you move forward, backwards. If you do that, you won't get mixed up. Forward, backwards, forward, and then sideways, opposite direction. Do not think about right and left. Opposite direction, opposite direction. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So now let's land. So this is it, guys, for tutorial number 2. I hope you will find it useful, and I hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.